Unity involves treating all people as members of one human family, acknowledging and appreciating the gifts found in differences, refusing to participate in or perpetuate prejudice, resolving conflicts through listening and finding solutions, caring for the earth and all living things, and acting as a peacemaker wherever you go. Hello, beautiful listeners. Welcome to another episode of the Starfish Spirit. This week's episode, we will focus on unity. By practicing unity with others, we can create a sense of interconnectedness that brings joy and healing to all. Say this affirmation with me. I practice unity with others. The joy of one is the joy of all. The heart of one is the heart of all. The honor of one is the honor of all. By acknowledging that we are all connected and that our actions have an impact on others, we can work together to create a more peaceful and harmonious world. When we practice unity, we recognize the value and unique qualities of each person, and we do not allow differences to divide us. Instead, we come together to accomplish more than any one person could on their own. By working together, we can achieve great things and make a positive difference in the world. The Starfish Spirit encourages us to embrace unity as a way of life, recognizing that we are all connected and that our actions have an impact on others. By treating all people as members of one human family, valuing differences, and acting as peacemakers, we can create a more peaceful and harmonious world where everyone can thrive. As you go through your week, I hope this spiritual quality helps guide your actions. Wishing you all a great week ahead.